Hey guys, this is Jake from Jetset. So what I'm going to explain to you is why this system had to be replaced today. So what's going on? Clearly, first thing you can see, stain. Now that water stain was from a water leak. So there's obviously been a water leak here. We came, this part of the system was leaking. That's not a problem. Sometimes we can repair this. This system was actually 17 years old, so it was quite aged. Now there was actually numerous problems on this system. The second problem was that it was leaking from the anode. You can see all the rust stains, the marks here, the water stains. That was leaking as well. There was a puddle of water on top of it. Number 3 problem was that the base of this system was leaking pretty much from all the screws and from the actual plate that was connecting to the system. So there was leaks coming out of the bottom here. It was in all sorts. Not to mention where the pipes and valves were connected, multiple valves were leaking. The cold water expansion valve, the actual temperature and pressure relief valve was leaking. 17 years, guys, that's a long time for a hot water system. So what we'll do is we'll show you the result of what's actually happened afterwards. We've obviously removed this system. It's dead. So we'll get this disposed of, but we have replaced the system. That's where we're going now. So pretty much, guys, an average hot water system, 10 to 15 years is a good lifespan. So if you do get 10 to 15 years out of your hot water system, you're doing pretty well. We generally pull them out in that age bracket. Actually, I pulled out one the other day that was 42 years old, 1977. Ridiculous that it lasted that long, but I commend it. That's a gold medal in my books. So we come in here and we've obviously replaced it with an all new hot water system, same size, all new pipes and valves. There's lagging on these pipes to protect from people touching it and it being hot, and there's obviously all the correct valves that need to be in place for current 2018 standards. So pretty much there's 10-year warranty on this system, and realistically anything goes wrong with the valves, they need to be replaced every 5 years, and realistically anything else goes wrong, it should be something that's simple and easy to repair. So have a great rest of your day. That's the explanation of why a hot water system, or this particular hot water system, needed to be replaced. I hope this video was enjoyable. I hope you guys got a bit out of it, and nothing goes wrong with yours. But if it does, you know where to go. Have a great day, guys.